Hello and welcome back to Python RPA. In today's lesson, we will review the Web Find Elements activity card. Let's get started. It is not in all cases that we can simply use the web click card and enter XPath into the card. Let's imagine a situation where we have several links which we have to check. In a Wikipedia page, for example, there is a section with languages, which has 47 links. Let's imagine we have to go through each one of them. What do we have to do in this case? We have to use such an XPath which would contain all of the links. Let's try to do that. At first, we find the element which has all of the links. As we can see, every line on the right side belongs to one class. Therefore, we take the XPath of the class itself and then add a certain code. In this case, we want to inspect the class and see what it consists of. We add a slash and an asterisk. This way we get all of the links which are members of this particular class. If we insert this kind of XPath into a web click card, it will not work. We have to use Web Find Elements cards for this purpose. What is the advantage of this activity card? Let's insert the XPath into this card and see what the bot returns after it runs. The bot starts. As we can see in the logs, this activity returned a list of all of the elements which this XPath contained. It is necessary to understand that this card returns not just one element selector, but a list of elements. Therefore, we can't just refer to this card ID in a bot. We have to use a cycle. The for each activity, for example, where we can enter the card ID in the array or dictionary field and then work with a list. As we have specified earlier, the driver path does not have to be specified. It is advisable to inherit the path from the preceding cards. Event is the parameter which allows us to specify the type of search. For example, we can select only the visible elements to get extracted, or only the elements which are clickable. It is very convenient since it is not necessary to write search conditions, but simply specify them in the card. Great! Let's review the lesson. The Web Find Elements activity card finds a group of elements on a web page for further processing. Well, thank you for watching this video and come back for more lessons on Python RPA.